Hi, my name is Fernanda da Costa, and I want to welcome you to Digiotouch AI. Digiotouch AI is the new AI meeting assistant that is going to help you handle meeting notes and save more hours during the week. In this walkthrough, I am going to show you how the platform works, our new dashboard, how to upload or record meetings, the integrations that are currently available, and one little surprise. So let's jump in. Getting started is simple. You can create your account directly from your email address or using a Google account. In this case, I'm going to use one email address that I just created. I will receive my first email for verifying my email. And then I can start logging in. Once your email is verified, please let us know the role and industry you work in, as well as how you would like to use Digiotouch AI. In my case, I am going to choose that I am from sales, technology industry, and that I am mostly interested in the translation use case. You can watch the introduction video or take a peek at the other subscription plan we have available. No external installations. You can start using Digiotouch AI right away. So this is how it works. You can upload or record a meeting. Digiotouch AI processes the audio, automatically detects the language, transcribes the conversation, and delivers a clean summary with key action points, all without a bot in joining your calls unless you want it to. So let me show you the dashboard. This is your new dashboard. As it is a new account, we do not have any meetings yet, but here I can show you how it looks. As you can see, it is intuitive, simple, and built to help you to stay organized. You can access to all your meetings here. Organize them by tags or by folders. You have either the view as a list or as tiles. You can search for meetings that you're looking for and get access to meeting summaries. But how to get these summaries? Let me show you. If you have the video of a past meeting, you can upload it so Digiotouch AI can give you the summary. Just drag and drop your audio or video file over here, and Digiotouch AI gets to work immediately. It will process, transcribe, and summarize your content within minutes. Or if the meeting is currently happening, you've got two options. You can use Digiotouch AI bot to join your call for the Google Meet video calls, or record your screen directly for meetings in other platforms. Either way, your notes are handled automatically. Let me show you how this works. I have already started a meeting in Google Meet, and I want to invite the bot. I will copy this specific link, URL link, and added it here. Digitouch is not connected to your calendar, so if you need the bot to be invited, first, we would encourage you to ask for the consent of people in the meeting. Here, the bot arrived, and we gave access. Here it is. Now the bot is in the meeting and listening to what I am saying. It will identify the speakers and the language automatically. Now, for giving an example for the action items tracking, I will say that Fernanda is going to send the presentation to David by 14th of August. We will finalize the meeting and wait to receive the summary. Receive the notification via Digiotouch AI or by mail. This is your summary page. At first glance, you will see the action items, the summary of the meeting, the conclusions, and the chapterization. You can rearrange the order of this according to what you prefer. As you can see, in this action item section, it identifies the person responsible, the tasks, and the deadline. If the deadline was not mentioned during the meeting, it will not appear. Moreover, you can visit the transcription page, where you will find all the discussions of the video when available. You can share the summary page by simply copying the URL link to your colleague, your client, or whoever you want to share it with. You have the control over who will see it and edit it. An interesting feature that I would like to is the translation tool. Digiotouch AI supports over 130 languages for translating your summaries. Let me give you an example with a meeting that I had in Spanish. The default language I have chosen to receive the summary is in English, but I will still see the original transcription in Spanish. In case I want to share it with a colleague or with a client who do not speak Spanish, but French, for example, I can simply change the language and that person or me will see the whole summary and translation in French. We want to offer a solution that adapts to you, not the other way around. That is why we're offering integrations with tools that you might use. For example, you can connect Digiotouch AI to external storage solutions such as Box or Dropbox. You can export your summaries to Google Docs or Notion, or you can extract the action items and share them in tools such as Asana and Slack. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features that we are about to release, the Digiotouch AI chatbot. This isn't just a basic search bar. It's an intelligent assistant trained on your meeting content. You can ask any type of question that you want. For example, my boss has been coordinating some meetings about a spring school we're organizing for a project called Bias. So let's ask some questions. We can say, give me a summary of all the meetings of the Bias project related to the spring school event. And here you go. You're going to have a consolidated summary covering all the discussions related to this specific topic. So here we are. You can give as specific questions as you require. For example, have we finalized the venue for the spring school event? Yes, the venue of the spring school event has been finalized at Mercury in Tallinn, as confirming to the meetings. And you can ask for more and more details about it. Or even you can write in any language you want. So for example, I'm going to ask in Spanish, Fernanda estuvo en estas reuniones, which is Fernanda was in these meetings. And no, it's going to give you an answer in Spanish as how you're speaking in Spanish, but here it's saying that no, indeed, there was no person named Fernanda in the transcriptions of the meetings that you have requested. The chatbot pulls information directly from your meetings and gives you clear, structured answers instantly. No more digging around recordings or notes. You get what you need when you need it. And that's just the beginning. Digiotouch AI is one solution built for different roles. Whether you are a manager tracking decisions, a business developer following up on leads, marketing aligning strategy, HR documentary interviews, you name it. More features are coming, more integrations. We're just getting started. So feel free to contact our team so we can show you how Digiotouch AI can streamline your work and handle meetings better. Don't wait. You can create your account today for free. Until the next time.